Today on Cooking Clean with Sharon, we are going to be discussing America's favorite new pastime, day drinking. Now, just because you're day drinking all by yourself or on Zoom with your friends doesn't mean you should be drinking whiskey straight out of a bottle like I did yesterday. What is day drinking really about? Let's be honest, it's about reliving those wonderful summers in the Caribbean that you never really had. But what we're gonna do is recreate those amazing frozen daiquiris here at home. Just because you don't have a blender doesn't mean you don't have a daiquiri. Here, we are going to go ahead and recreate that magical moment in the sunset with a flavor ice and some Bacardi rum. The flavor ice does not have to be frozen, although it is preferable. And you do not have to use rum. You can substitute it with tequila, which of course would make it a margarita. So you're gonna wanna open your flavor ice, just so, and just really dump that whole thing in the glass. And now, just like you're on a cruise ship to nowhere, you can enjoy a frozen daiquiri in the comfort of your own home. L'chaim! So if you find out that you're out of flavor ice but you still have booze, you're not out of luck. If you have tang, just add the tang to the booze and it's like you're in Florida. That's it. We're not auditioning for NASA. We're day drinking. It's okay.